I'm going to show you a totally different use for stitch number 21 in the A menu, the utility stitches. It's a bridging stitch or gathering stitch, and we are going to use it for gathering, but not in your traditional way. I'm going to use some cord here. This happens just to be some pearl crown rayon, so it's thick enough for what I'm looking for. It is a little slippery, but it will do the job for today. And I'm also going to cheat by using the manual buttonhole foot C that comes with this machine. As you put the cord folded in half and put the little loop around the back end of this, the cord is going to sit in the two grooves of the buttonhole foot, just like it does when we cord a buttonhole. But this time with this stitch, the stitch is going to go over the cord, back to the center, over the other cord, and back to the center. So go ahead and put the foot on first. Slide the fabric underneath that you want to gather up. This is great for like a heavier fabric, home deck fabric, really thick, that's hard to gather in the first place. So now all you have to do, so I've hooked the little centered loop of the cord behind the foot and then step on the foot control. You don't really have to hold these threads, but if you do, that's great. If you find the cord is kind of bunching up the fabric in the back, you can put your hands back here and kind of make sure it stays nice and even. All right, so let's just go ahead and see this in action. All right, that'll give us a good enough. The cool thing is that this stitch never bites into the cord. It always is jumping over it, over to the right or over to the left. And then when you take a hold of your threads at the end, you can just start to gather up your fabric. It's very secure. It's like a little curtain rod for your fabric. And because you had the little loop at the other end, it's not going to break off or pull through. It's very secure. Once you have that all gathered up to the proportion you're looking for, pin it in place and start sewing it into your final project.